Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Culinary Vlogs by Z. Today I'm going to show you how to make a non-alcoholic pina colada. Start by adding in 2 freshly chopped pineapples. Then add in 250 ml of ice, 200 ml of coconut cream. Blend this for about a minute. Then add in 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, 1/8 of a cup of maple syrup, and blend this again. This is what your pina colada will look like. Pour these into your preferred glass. Top it with some desiccated coconut, and I've actually toasted this a little. Add in a cherry, some chopped pineapples, and your pina colada drink is ready to be served. If you find that you want a weaker consistency, add in a little bit of pineapple juice. As always, I hope you're going to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.